Hey guys, I'm Jayce. Welcome back to Farmstead Forge, and today I'm going to be forging these floppy jaw tongs that I made right here. The question is, are they a flop or not? And also, you might be asking yourself, well, what are they used for?
Well, I'm glad you asked there, boy, but you're going to have to wait till the end of the video now, aren't you? Patience is a virtue.
Alright, so let's get started. Now, I'm not going to show the bottom jaw on these guys in this video because all it is a V-bit style tong. So if you want to watch that, you can watch the V-bit tong tutorial, and we'll put a card right up here. Alright, so starting out, I have some 5/8 square stock. One is 8.5 inches and one is 9 inches. 9 inches will be for my bottom jaw, my V-bit. I got a little nail that I'm going to use for my rivet, just like on my latch, window latch on my sheep wagon. And then I have some 1/2 inch square stock that I will split for my little floppy jaw, and then I'll cut it to length. Okay, we will free that up in a minute when we rivet these puppies up. And then we'll get it all adjusted. Floppy jaw, from my understanding, is made to hold tapers. They do seem to hold pretty good. Oops, slipped that a little bit. But even if it binds, I think if I had this shorter and stubbier, it would work better. Even if it tips in, it does hold pretty good. This is a lot thicker than what I have in mind for these. I want a nice thin little piece to hold. And I also have seen a flat-jawed floppy jaw, which I think will work better, and I do have an idea for a video on those. But let's throw this in the forge and work under the power hammer and see how they hold. Oops. Tapers just kind of suck. Actually hold pretty good right there. I'm not even really squeezing on them actually. Here she goes. So, the floppy jaw tongs, were they a flop? So I guess. I think with a couple of modifications, if I did another set, if you guys out there build a set, what I would do again is build this nice and wide as it comes around, so your floppy jaw only can rotate just ever so slightly. With that, I think they would be awesome. This tends to whip around too much on me. Kind of like my neighbor, the jaw is just a little too fluffy. I did shorten this and it helped a ton, so short tapers are just kind of hard to hold anyway, but it did seem to hold pretty good, you know, if you get it in the right spot where it pinches it nice. I didn't even really have to hold tight, but like I said, it's got too much movement on there, so I would change that again. The flat jaw style I want to forge a little bit down the road would be a lot better than these, I think, but they were kind of fun to forge. So guys, I hope you keep it simple, and I will catch you in the next one. This is a test of the new microphone system.